7 a.m. and I'm headed to a thrift store that doesn't even open until 10. Not only that, I'm stopping along the way to pick up some guy I met on the internet. Should be a fun time. Stay tuned. All right, so step one complete. Picked up random guy from the internet. If you don't know, this is Wyatt from Rewilded Reselling. Go check out his channel. But it's still only 7:35 and this thrift store still doesn't open until 10. So this should be an adventure.
Yes, this is like the old Dream Deals days where you get there early just in case.
Just in case, you never know.
Yep.
So the thrift store that we were going to at 10, we're actually making a quick detour while Wyatt puts on his bra. And we're gonna run in here, Fate Home Resale Store. See what we can find. This place is pretty big, but I'm not finding much, that's for sure. I don't think Wyatt is either. So a couple of novice book resellers are trying to figure out what to buy here. Looked up comps. I haven't found anything. Wyatt got this set.
I got a set.
Whatever that is. You have to check out his video to figure that out.
Yeah.
But, they've got a bunch of books. We looked these up. It's a bunch of religious books. We thought they'd do pretty good, but no. I mean, they've got stacks and stacks of them.
He's happy for me.
I do. I came over with a smile, and Wyatt came over with some books. So it's
He's happy for me.
hopefully the next spot, which is the whole reason we came up here, is going to be better. Fingers crossed. So Wyatt went inside to pay for a golf club that we found by actually walking in the backside, the donations area. But the whole reason we're up here is to actually go to a hospice thrift store. And they don't open until 10 o'clock. It's 9:30 now. So we're going to go over there. We're going to wait in line. The reason we're waiting in line is because they only restock on Monday and Tuesday. So they open up on Wednesday. They're open like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I think. So it's kind of like a new store every week. I've been here before. Actually got there at 11, an hour after they opened, and Adam, Baldy Pal Picking, and I found some pretty good stuff. So we're hoping that if we wait in line and get there early, we're going to find some even better stuff. So stay tuned. That's what we need to be doing, peeping in the window, getting a sneak preview. We've decided Wyatt's going one way, I'm going another, and we're going to split up, see if we can come back together, kind of separated at the end.
Oh my gosh.
I see people running. It's exciting.
Oh, I'm going to turn my hat backwards.
I think I'm going to need a cart. Thank you.
I got two at the lake now. I got to talk to Tony.
Shoes $4. That's not bad.
I grabbed a lot of goodies this morning. I thought I could just flip it, but it was.
Leave it to this guy to find a cowboy hat.
Yeah, we'll see. I have to look some stuff.
Go, same.
You got anything yet?
Shoes.
Oh, I was like, where's
But once again, I gotta look up too.
Yeah,
so.
and I grabbed those, I'm not sure. I mean,
Yeah.
they're dirty.
$5, made in USA. That'd be pretty good. That's cool. Looks new.
$25, but these are something Kyle Walker?
Yeah, they might be special edition. I meant to look them up.
These are only...
They're 25 there as well.
No, they're 20.
Scratching that.
Excuse me. Let's look them up. 30 plus shipping, best offer accepted.
Yeah, so it's not worth 25.
They're nice.
Yeah, they are.
I wish they were like $10.
What size are they? Or they're women's? No.
They're probably. I think Vans are usually both, but if they're probably.
Oh yeah, you're right.
They're probably. Man, I wish they were like $10. Then I get it.
That'd be. That's actually a head cover. It's gonna be $1. So when I walked in, I just kind of randomly grabbed stuff that I thought was in good condition, but I'm going to take a few minutes back here in this corner. I'll look up a few things, make sure it's going to be worth me picking up. Wyatt's still checking out, but I'm not gonna lie, that was kind of underwhelming. Last time I came here, there was a lot more people, but they also had it stocked more, and I actually found a lot more stuff. But I did get a few things, spent 30 bucks. I'll show you what I got. So nothing too amazing. I did pick up this 101 Dalmatians Throw. Looks like it's brand new in the package, made in the USA, so I'm assuming it's vintage. Only paid $5 for it. Couldn't find any sold comps. Then a Pendleton Shirt. It's the Oceanside short sleeve shirt. Paid $3 for it. Should get around 20, and they usually sell pretty quick. And then this Tiger Woods shirt. Tiger Woods stuff sells really quick as well. And this one actually has a course logo on it, which I normally wouldn't pick up, but this course is actually pretty popular. They hold the tournament after the Masters, which is coming up, so hopefully it'll sell pretty quick. And then $4 each for shoes. These Crocs, I think they're called Light Ride, sell for like 20 or 30. These New Balance kind of surprised me. They actually sell for around 40. And these Keens, paid $7 for these Keens, paid up a little bit, but they should sell for around 30. And summertime's coming up, they're in good condition. And then I got this guy. It's a golf club head cover, kind of based on Caddyshack, but he was only $1. Probably gonna keep him. There's Wyatt. He definitely gets the prize for the biggest find of the day, but I'm gonna blur it out so you can't see it. You're gonna have to go check out his video, see what he got. Yes. It's a worldly possession for sure. Not much luck at the Hospice thrift store, but luckily right across the street there is a Goodwill, and let's see what we can find in here. No, nothing to see here. Nothing to see here.
He's so silent when he does it.
There's nothing to see here.
Oh my gosh.
Nothing to see here. Hello, me?
Oh my goodness, Flippy.
I'm gonna borrow your cart.
Oh, you can.
I'm actually gonna go grab one.
You can.
These ultras would be good, and the sell-through rate's great, but they're just too beat. These have a hole in them. I have to put them back. Underneath this black case here, is that case for CDs?
DVDs.
Okay. Yeah, CD player right there. How about it? Finding all the good stuff?
Not really.
Check this out.
What'd you find?
I don't know. It's an
Nice.
Iowa. It's not a disc.
Interesting.
15 bucks, and it's dirty on the inside, but it's
know.
definitely sealed.
That's wild.
Let's see if I can't find comps. So here's something that'll break your heart. Found this Lotus Smart Suite 2. It's some kind of software. I'm always looking up old software. And popped it open. They only went $2.99 for it. Popped it open. The books are sealed. Found a comp where one new sold for $149. I thought it had something really good. But all the discs are gone. It's just the manuals. So unfortunately, I'm gonna leave that behind. They want $14.99 for it. It's sealed, but it's very dirty. Even on the inside, there's like dirt or something. That might even be battery. No, it's a plug.
There's one little hole, huh?
Yeah, that's pretty nasty.
That might be why it's dirty, because dust got in that little hole.
I think I'm gonna leave that behind. What do you think?
Was there comps on it?
Not this exact model. They were similar for like 60, brand new.
Not for 15 bucks.
Yeah,
If it was like
I don't think
$1,
it's
I'd say go for it.
Yeah. $6.50 for a dirty pair of bean boots. I mean, I think they'll clean up their rubber. Not a big deal. Goodwill, Lawrence, South Carolina. Hopefully it's better than the last one. Oh, I thought they were Chacos. Still Tevas.
Very generic. They're very like plain.
Well,
No, I don't.
they're $0. Look. Free Tevas.
Is that what it says?
Yeah.
It does say that.
$0.
What in the world?
I'm all about it. Carhartt. Extra large tall. Take that. It's gonna be $4.75. Oh wow. That is old. It's crazy. It's got a patch on this. That's cool. Vintage Gamecock stuff always sells really well for me. So here's a bolo for you, Wyatt. LL Bean. These are called River Driver shirts. Don't ask me why, but they are a wool cotton nylon blend. They sell super quick.
Tri-blend.
Kind of like tri-blend, but
That's cool.
it's called River Drivers. Thanks for me because I left him on the counter. He's kind of like my thrift caddy. I feel like that could be like a new business venture. Like
Hey.
I'll go thrifting with you and carry all your stuff and give you recommendations.
That's
You just
right.
pay me a percentage of whatever we bring in.
I'm your thrift caddy, you're my thrift daddy.
Oh, I hear you.
That's good. That's good. We could just change our whole business model. We could, like, you be thrift daddy, I'll be thrift caddy. We just, once we get together, we throw everything in the same pot. Just split our business 50-50.
Get it done.
Sit 51-49.
Wait a minute. I'm 51, right?
man.
Okay.
You drive.
I'm thrift daddy too, so I mean, I get to make the rules.
Yep. Jenna can bookkeep.
Perfect.
Whole deal.
Hey, we did get a few things though at this Goodwill, believe it or not.
did.
Couple shirts, Carhartt shirt, the River Driver shirt, which is, I don't even know what I'm looking at.
You got Carhartt shirts?
I did
didn't
find
see
one
those.
Carhartt shirt. River Driver shirt, the vintage Carolina Gamecocks, and then the Tevas. The sell-through rate is insane. It's like 4 listed and 70 something sold.
Oh my gosh.
They sell for like 30 bucks, so not too bad. So yeah, Miracle Hill Thrift Store in Malden, South Carolina. Not Greenville,
Malden.
not Anderson,
To me, it's
not
all one thing.
Spartanburg.
To me, it's all one area.
Truthfully, I have no idea where we are. I just follow the GPS.
We're in Columbia and you say, no, we're in Redneck. I'm like, all right, I get it.
I just follow the GPS. I don't have a clue.
That's good.
So I spotted these roller skates a few minutes ago. Decided to look up comps. They look really good, and these are good condition. They only want $4.55 for them, so we're getting those. GX, Dragon, Formula, that Formula Racing Team. Stuff always sells so good. Grab it. It's only gonna be $4.75. Yeah, you did pretty good.
I'm actually
Wyatt's
really
got a-
curious about these Clarks.
Got a mystery bag full of stuff here. Make sure you check out his video. Meanwhile, I'm rolling into the profits. I just don't know how much yet. Either it's like anywhere from like 40 to 100. Comps were kind of all over the place. But I only spent $5 on them, and then $4.75 for the Formula A. I guess that's like Formula One, but like the rookie leagues.
Yeah.
I don't know. Looks like it sells for like $24 though. Goodwill. And where are we at now?
Newberry.
Newberry, South Carolina. Probably the last stop. Hopefully the best stop. Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
That's cool. It's vintage too. That's pretty awesome. That was a pretty good stop. I got the 2 Patagonias, not huge money. Clemson shirt for myself. Wyatt found a pair of boots that I've never heard of, Goki brand.
Goki.
So he's gonna do some more
Look them up,
research.
because there was some pairs, not mine probably, but some pairs going for $250.
I'm gonna say yours are going for 300. I'm just gonna throw that out there.
Okay.
You never know.
All right.
You never know. You got the like rarest pair of Goki boots
Ever.
That's
The last pair.
the last pair of Goki.
Functioning pair ever created.
Awesome. I think that's a win. That's what that is. So my stuff, Wyatt's stuff, I'm still gonna blur out this big giant thing because I think it would be cool for you guys to go check out Wyatt's channel and find out what he spent. How much was it?
$25.
$25 on, and how maybe he's gonna ship that. So
I think it comes apart.
I think
maybe we'll figure it out.
there's some profit to be made there, but had a good time, man. Enjoyed it.
Man.
Everybody go
Thank
check
you,
out Wyatt's
Flippy.
channel.
Thank you guys for watching.
Absolutely. And what do they do? What are they supposed to do?
They're supposed to subscribe to the channel.
Right.
Give it a thumbs up.
That too.
They gotta have an eye for it
That's true.
when you're thrifting. And I don't know, what do you want me to say?
I don't. What? That's good. I like
Oh,
it.
okay.
I like it.
I was like, is there some magic?
No,
phrase?
you're good. That was perfect.
That's great.
But we'll see you next time. I
Yes,
guess.
we'll see you next time, guys.